Welcome to the Learning Threads. Today I'm going to explain the poem The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. We will talk about Whitman, who was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. A humorist, he was a part of the transition between transcendentalism and realism, incorporating both views in his works. Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon, often called the father of free verse. The Voice of the Rain is a short free verse poem by the American poet Walt Whitman, originally published in a periodical called Outing in 1885. It was later reprinted in Leaves of Grass, Whitman's most celebrated collection of verse. In the voice of the rain, the speaker listens to the personified figure of the rain liken itself to poetry, describing each stage of the water cycle. The poem pays homage to the restorative power of the natural world and claims that poetry nourishes humanity just as rain nourishes the earth. The voice of the rain poem. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, which, strange to tell, gave me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same. I descend to lave the draughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin, and make pure and beautify it, for song issuing from its birthplace, after fulfillment, wandering, reckoned or unreckoned, duly with love returns. Now the explanation. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower. The meaning of who art thou is who are you, which strange to tell gives an answer to the poet, which is translated here in the form of the poem. I am the poem of earth, I am the song of the earth, and said the voice to the rain. Voice of the rain. Eternal I rise. Eternal means never ending. I rise, I come, impalpable, which cannot be described, out of the land and the bottomless sea. The origin of rain is land and sea. From both these places, from the earth, it rises. It rises into water vapors. It rises towards the eternal. In the above lines, the poet asked the soft falling shower, who are you? To which the rain replied in a strange to state manner. The rain said that it was the poem of earth and it rose continuously from the land and bottomless ocean in the form of vapors. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. Whence means where, vaguely, not clearly. It is formed unclearly, it is the same, but the form is changed. It turns into clouds, it turns into water vapors. I descend means I come down to lave, to wash, to bathe the droughts, to complete the droughts. Atomies, all the small particles, each and every particle of earth, dust layers of the globe are cleared off, are washed off, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent and unborn. Latent means all the seeds, the whole life was buried inside the dust layers, which after coming of the rain come out, they take new life and they generate life again. The rain tells the poet that it rises upwards towards the sky in the form of vapors, where it changes its forms, condenses into water droplets. It also says that although its form gets changed, it still remains the same. The rain comes down to wash the dross and provide water. It also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface, and the seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water provided by the rain. It gives life to the seeds, and life originates. And forever, by day and night, every day, day and night, I give back life to my origin. I give back life. The origin of rain is earth and water. So it gives back its life and make pure and beautify it. For song issued from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, reckoned or unreckoned, duly with love returns. The rain says that by day and night it provides life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where it originated. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again. The rain is like a song that originates from its birthplace, just like the heart of the singer, and travels to fulfill the earth's needs and wonders. It finally comes back to the place from where it originated. Whether it is ruined or not, it rains or not, it returns to the original position with a lot of love to its birthplace. Reckoned or unreckoned means whether cared for or not cared for. It doesn't affect the rain nor the poet if someone listens to the rain or not. Now we will do an activity and see a scientist's perspective of the rain and, in short, a water cycle. Now, the poetic devices, which are the literary devices used in the poem. Personification: the poet uses a non-living thing as a living thing in the poem. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. It is speaking, so we all know it is personified. Rain is personified. Metaphor: an indirect comparison between the qualities of different things. I am the poem of earth, rain is being compared to a poem. And the song, the pitter patter of the sound of the rain is being called as the poem of the earth. Hyperbole: exaggerated statement. This is bottomless sea. Imagery: visual description of something which makes something visualized in front of our eyes. Soft falling shower is an example of that. Thank you very much.